Oh my god, it was so good. What are you so focused on? Oh, just writing my college applications. You know, writing comes so much more easily to me because of all the activities that I did during journalism club.
What did you write?
Oh, we actually had a lot of webinars with published journalists who exposed us to this world of newspaper reporting and articles. Because we like to believe that just knowing how to write isn't enough. You need to write in a way that makes people want to read it. And Journalism Club taught me exactly that. Did you also know that we're actually coming up with our very own school magazine very soon?
Don't forget that it's a collaboration with the Literature Club. At Literature Club, we don't believe that students should be limited to just formal essays. We also think they should learn how to write short stories, poems, and
Speaking of writing, honestly, without the graphics, the writing would be pretty boring. That's what we do at the Graphics Club. We teach students how to make graphics and post for social media. And honestly speaking, we are the team behind the graphics for events such as TEDx and clubs such as the Community Club.
Oh, about the community club, we are actually doing a cleanliness project where we clean up the whole school. And recently, we also had Project Curricular, where we collected over 1,000 kgs of rice from donors and we sent them to flood victims in Sudan.
I mean, yeah, working for a good cause, it never really feels bad. Even like during Girl Up, researching about social causes and writing about them, they feel so good. And remember the fundraiser we did last year, November? It was such a big success for sanitary napkins. I mean, it was amazing. And plus, the fundraiser also gave us like amazing organizing skills because we never did that before.
Speaking of organizing skills, recently we had our first debate tournament from the debate club where over 40 institutes joined with, and we got a lot of prizes.
Right? Me too. I mean, remember how the debate had started from just one small room, and now we have like so many awards, and we did our first religious debate competition.
And
they us, man.
Yeah, and plus in the debate club, we are also getting more awards from other tournaments apart from our schools.
Right.
And I would like to think that in DPS, it's not just about academics. We are encouraged to participate in sports and so many club activities. And we offer such a diverse range of these clubs. Don't you agree?
Yeah, I mean, the best part is...
And we have so many opportunities to give back to our community, to our society, make a positive impact.
Yeah, and the best part is like the ideas we come up with, they never really let us down. They always support us with it.
Honestly speaking, our students end up being super skilled into all the clubs and they tend to become awesome global citizens.
Yes, we become such well-rounded citizens.
And of course, as we just heard, it's something new with the college administration. So
Yes.
can't be that.